अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं अपने पुराने दोस्त हसन को मिलने आया हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हसन। How are you?
I'm fine.
Sorry for being late.
Yeah, it's good.
You ready? Finish prayer?
Yeah, finished.
Oh,
Wow.
I go to masjid pray. Okay. Thank you very much.
It's high.
Hassan, I found a small gift for you. I forgot to give you from Hong Kong.
What is this perfume?
Yeah, especially for you.
Okay.
I personally also use this brand in Hong Kong.
Okay.
So I go and pray, okay? Masjid here, right? Okay. Ahmed, pray. You want pray? Salah.
Salah.
Yeah.
Your ablution, you finished or
Yeah.
not?
Morning finish, you finish?
Ablution? Oh, you
No, no,
done?
no, need to do wudu.
Oh, you Urdu?
Yeah.
Ablution.
You want, you also do wudu? Come, Ahmed.
Yeah.
Put your bag here.
Follow.
Follow, yeah.
Follow your brother-in-law? What? Brother-in-law?
Yeah.
Your brother? Oh, brother. No.
Look, my wife wearing Pakistani dress.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Ahmed, no need to wear masks lah. Who wear masks here?
No, I'm afraid, man.
Free masks.
Yeah, free man.
Ahmed, pali first. Assalamu alaikum. We go masjid, okay? We do okay? We do here. तो अभी मस्जिद जा रहे हैं नमाज़ पढ़ने। मैंने नमाज़ नहीं पढ़ी है। वुदू तो अपने दोस्त को मिल लिया है। मैं लेट पहुंचा, खाने का जो होता ख़त्म हो चुका है। अभी वो 3 के बाद खाना बनेगा। अभी 2 बजे वो खाना बनाने लगा। मैंने उसे मना किया अभी खाना मत बना, हमने आगे जाना है। मेरा बड़ा अच्छा दोस्त है। तो मैंने आई अराइव एट माई फ्रेंड हसन। So after meeting him, we are going to have some lunch and then go to Samal Island. What you wanna eat? Let's go. Anything you eat. Not Celine? Let's go. Already 1:30. We have to go Samal Island also. Hassan, inshallah we'll meet again. You know, because they're with me, I need to take them. Inshallah. Let's go.
You're going to Samal now?
Yeah, I'm going to Samal now.
Oh, Samal.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
11 a.m. sold out.
I understand. I got late. Hassan? Come in the light. Down. It's okay.
Okay.
So I will
Okay.
come again, inshallah. Don't worry.
Okay.
Inshallah. Bye bye.
First time yung punya kapag
No, that one.
No fling. Just throw it here somewhere. Garbage.
garbage.
Have garbage can.
Ipatak ko na rin ah.
Garbage can?
Yeah, garbage.
I got money.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you.
Don't worry.
So inshallah we'll come again.
Okay.
My friend, very old friend Hassan, I like him. Haji Malik, third cousin.
Yeah,
Very
third cousin.
surprise cousin. Hey Nujana, let's go.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Thank you. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं, अपने दोस्त को मिल लिया, काफ़ी अच्छा मेरा दोस्त है। तो अभी हमें भूख लगी, हम खाना खाएंगे। सो आई एम हंग्री। So inshallah we're going to eat something. Let's see what we can find here. So finally I met my friend, and then now finish the prayer, and then now I'm going to eat something. Here's something. Only chicken available here.
We eat here.
Only chicken.
Sirena, sambil suci gini ran sakat.
Norslin, where you wanna go?
She said chicken is very good.
Again?
The chicken is very tasty.
Oh, I didn't.
Plain like Tanong to.
Hannah, don't wear this mask. Take off. I'm tired of wearing it.
Ada Muslim restaurant sir. Okay, sa